Good morning, students. I hope everyone will be fine. So, our today's topic is epithelium tissue. Epithelium tissue, actually, the tissue which is used for covering of our body systems and body organs. So, we can say epithelium tissue, the tissue which is covering our body skin, is called epithelium tissue. So in simple language we can say कि वो टिश्यू जो बॉडी के ऊपर कवरिंग का काम करता है, that is epithelium tissue. So it is divided into different types. We will discuss. So epithelium tissue, it has 4 types. These are squamous epithelium tissue, So squamous epithelium tissue, the tissue which is used for lining of our body's muscles, body cells, and we can say blood vessels and other different organs where squamous epithelium tissue is used. That is lining of blood vessels, lining of arteries, lining of esophagus, or we can say mouth, and stomach. So these are different locations where squamous epithelium tissue is found. So next type of tissue is cuboidal epithelium tissue. This type of tissue have cube shaped cells, whereas squamous epithelium tissue have flat cells. On the other hand, cuboidal epithelium tissue have cube shaped cells, means the cells of the tissue are cube in shape, which are located on the basement. So cuboidal epithelium tissue is present in our different body parts. We can say this type of tissue is also used in lining of different organs. These organs are lining of salivary gland, this type of tissue is mostly present in glands, that is salivary gland, thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is present in our neck. Sweat gland, this is the gland due to which sweating is created. Salivary gland, thyroid gland, sweat gland. So these kinds of glands are mostly covered by cuboidal epithelium tissue. So the next type of tissue is columnar epithelium tissue. This type of tissue have pillar-like cells. So we can say this kinds of tissue have column-shaped cells. So that's why it is called as columnar epithelium tissue. So columnar epithelium tissue have pillar like cells, so it is called columnar epithelium tissue, which is present in the lining of following organs. These are in the stomach, in the intestine, in the gallbladder, which is the part of liver, and in the gastric. Gastric is the lining of present in the lining of stomach, from where gastric juice is secreted. So at next, the next tissue is ciliated epithelium tissue. Ciliated epithelium tissue is the tissue having cilia are present on its surface, where cilia are the hair-like structures present on the surface of the tissue cells. So these types of tissues are present in the small intestine, in the respiratory tract of lungs. They are also present in the inner surface of fallopian tube. So these are all about the epithelium tissue. So students, this is also the important question from the exam point of view, epithelium tissue. In the exams, mostly the questions which are discussed about epithelium tissue are where the locations of these tissues. So you have to study about, you have to remind that where these types of tissues are present, means you have to study about these locations. These are most important. So in the next lecture we will discuss about connective tissue. Okay, thank you.